BAOFN's RS Full Feature Series achieves cutting-edge performance and efficiency. With a user-friendly design, these compressors are ready for plug and play. The design focuses purely on performance and efficiency. These compressors are easy to use, easy to install, and with low noise levels can be installed at point of use. Direct stop-start control ensures that the compressor only runs when there is a demand for air, eliminating associated energy idling costs. Our full-feature models have a tank, VSD Drive, a receiver and refrigeration dryer all built in, no additional hardware required. Available in 3 sizes for your individual needs. For a reliable, robust compressor that can run continuously, do not look anywhere else. Contact 082-645-1595 or email sales@baofncompressor.com for more information.